Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing. You are very happy and you are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is the messages for whosoever required. Okay, this is the messages for you if you are feeling very stuck, or you are unable to move in a forward direction, and if you are thinking that what should I do, I do not have any idea, this is the messages for you. Then I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. If you have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages from my beautiful decks. Let's see what are the messages from law of attraction. These messages will help you out, okay, in moving in forward direction. Okay, these messages will motivate you. These messages will get out, will help you out to get out of the stuck energy, restricted energy. If you are unable to move in a forward direction, this will guide you basically. So let's see what are the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever it is required. The first message for you is I am learning to allow well-being in. The art of allowing is I am that which I am. I am pleased and joyful in it. And you are that which you are. And while you are different from that which I am, I can allow that, and for it is good. So allow everyone as they are, accept everyone as they are, and because everyone is unique and everyone is different, that you are learning to allow. The next message for you is I am not in competition for well-being. Competition can serve you if it stimulates your desire, but it can be a disadvantage if it hampers your belief in succeeding. In this unlimited universe, there is no need to compete for well-being. For your resources are unlimited. You may perceive a shortage, but it would be of your own making. Okay, so do not compete with anyone. And the message is that I am not in competition with anyone for my well-being. Okay, so beautiful message. Let's see any other message for whosoever it is required. If it is important to deliver, give me the messages which I need to deliver. I can feel positive while thinking positive, and that's very good. The longer you stay focused upon what you do not want, the greater and more powerful that thoughts will come. But if you are sensitive to your emotions, you can withdraw your attention from the unwanted very quickly. You will begin to feel better and you will stop the attraction of unwanted things. So keep feel positive, and while you thinking positive things will happen in your life. Then there is my creative power lies in this moment. Whether you are thinking about something happening now, or something that happened in your past, or something you would like to happen in your future, you are doing the thinking now, and that it is this present moment through the vibration that the law of attraction is responding to. Therefore the power to create is now. Beautiful messages from this deck. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from Crazy Sexy Love Notes. Let's add what are the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever required in the world. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Slow down. When it feels like a world is spinning out of control, it is easy to get overwhelmed. This is a good time to begin a daily meditation practice. Your mind is the most open and receptive in the morning, which is why it's helpful to start your day with centering exercises. Cultivate stillness within and know that there is no rush. At the end of our days, we won't care about our to do list. We will wish we had more, loved more, lived more, and being at peace. Don't wait, slow down now. So you can slow down and meditate for some time. You can start your day with meditation. Okay. Okay. Be present. See, again and again I'm getting a same message that you have to live in now moment, live in the present. Your presence, your full presence is the greatest gift you can give yourself and to others. Life is happening right now in this moment. So today is the only day that matters. Anchor yourself in the now and give it to all yours. Notice the details and the drink and the sweetness. Be more present in the present. Okay, you cannot wait, you cannot please everyone, you cannot please everyone. When you focused on living up on other standard, you are not spending enough time raising your own. Some folks expect you to act in a certain way and march to the beat of their boring drum. They find safety in the sameness, but you have a beautiful music inside of you. Your flair is meant to be shared. Don't shrink to fit in or get approval. Instead, dump your need to please and just be your magnificent self. So you did not have to please everyone. Then there is choose love. If you are struggling with an obstacle or conflict, choose a path of love. Suffering, doubt, and frustration all transformed in the presence of love. So show your love courageously, show your love openly, show your love with no strings attached. It's safe to give and receive love. In fact, if you have a hard time with self-love, start outside yourself and work your way in. Showing love to others can be a gateway for loving yourself. So you need to choose love, be more present in the present time. Do not please, you cannot please everyone. So just you need to keep focus on yourself and meditate. Start your day with meditation. Let's see what are the messages from Life Loves You. Thank you so much, Crazy Sexy Love Notes, for giving the beautiful messages. I love it. Let's see what are the messages for whosoever required. Give me the messages. I dedicate today to love. What are the messages? Let me get one more. Okay. So the first message for you is that I dedicate today to love. Notice how wonderful life can when you approach each day with an attitude of love. So you need to dedicate yourself today to love. Then there is I trust that life wants the best for me. Pay attention to how your life is unfolding. Notice how life does not happen to you, it happens for you. Very important message for you. Okay, I trust that life wants the best for me. Then there is I open my mind and say yes to life. Life is inviting you to experience a new level of happiness, healing, prosperity, success, and love. 0909 was the recording reading time. You just need to open your mind and just say yes to life. I love and accept myself. Your self-image is made up of your own judgments. It's not the real you. Sit for 10 minutes with this question. What is like to be me when I'm not judging myself? So you have to love, accept yourself. You need to love and accept yourself. Then there is I nourish myself. Decide that today you will eat only food that you love. You know better than anyone what is best for you. So you have to nourish yourself. Beautiful message from this deck. I love it. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. for whosoever it is. Then there is how to love yourself. Let's see what is the messages from this deck. And these messages are very beautiful and very inspirational messages that will help you out definitely to get out of from the situation or energy if you are stuck. What are the messages? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver. I know and affirm that my body is a friendly place to live. I have respect for my body and I treat it well. I affirm positive things about my body and tell it I love it often. See how this 3 cards is saying to you that you have to accept yourself. You have to nourish your body. Okay. So beautiful messages regarding your body, that you, for your body, you have to treat it well and you have to affirm positive things about your body and tell your body that I love my body, I love it often, and you have to respect for your body. Beautiful. Any other message which I need to deliver? Okay, I got it. Each person is a part of a harmonious world. With joy, I recognize my perfection and the perfection of life. 144 was the recording reading time. So you need to see that each person is a part of harmonious world. Okay. Then there is I freely express who I am. This is my birthright to express myself in the way that are fulfilling to me. And that's right, you have a birthright to express yourself in whatever you want to. Okay, you have a birthright to express yourself. So express yourself with open heart and whatever way you want to. I am free and at peace. I am a free person living in a world. This is the reflection of my own love and understanding. Beautiful message. I choose a bright future now. The moment I start to change, the moment I'm willing to bring good into my life, the universe respond into kind, and that's beautiful message for you. Okay, you need to change your future, that you need to say this, I choose bright future now. That's the living in the right now movement. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from the super attractor. What are the messages? Give me the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever it is, which are important to deliver. Give me the messages which are important to deliver. What are the messages? Okay, let's add 2 more. Any other message? No, they don't have. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having spiritual alignment puts my manifestation into motion. Okay. So you need to get your spiritual alignment so that you can so that your manifestation can come into motion. Okay, beautiful message. So the first message for you is my true safety lies in my capacity to align with the love of the universe. And that's right, you have to align yourself with the love of the universe, and that's the true safety. Okay, you just need to align with the universe. I can decide today to recalibrate my energy and commit to love and joy. Beautiful message. You just need to align yourself today and commit yourself to love and joy. Beautiful. When I'm tuned into the energy of abundance, I become abundant. And that's right, when you tune into the energy of abundance, you are abundant soul, you are abundant of everything. Then you become abundant of everything. Beautiful messages. Let's add some affirmations on love and relationship, and then I'm going to close out your reading. You can let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. Okay, let's add some messages from affirmation. What are the affirmations which I need to add to this video? 3 messages. Okay, first is integrity. I align with the center of myself, a glowing core of personal integrity. I have the knowledge that I never have to compromise who I am or what I want for anybody. I can live a life that does not include settling unless I want to settle, in which case, settling would be my idea of perfection and would cease to be considered settling. Paradoxes hurt. Okay, integrity is the message. You need to work on your integrity with your integrity. Okay, then there is loyalty. I am there for the people I care about in whatever way they need me. Ride to the airport, no problem. Bail you out of jail, you bet. Go see your band again. Maybe. The point is, when I stand with them, I know I'm a part of something special. To be honest, it does not suck to look around and remember they are standing with me too. So, loyalty is very important in life. So, you need to be loyal for those who stand with you in your hard times. Okay, just be loyal to those, be, stand with them in every situation of life. Then there is no score keeping. I cut ties with past conflicts and make my personal life a clean, shiny slate. Beginning this moment, everything is new. When an old grievance repeats itself in my head, I introduce it my new head tenants. Tolerance and equanimity. Then I give it its stupid t-shirts and records black and tell it to leave. And that's beautiful. That if you think that whenever you get any past regrets or any past memories or anything from your past, you just need to ask them to leave. Okay, as soon as possible to leave. You just need to focus on the right present moment and clean it out all the things from the past and make it a clean shiny slate so that you can begin a new beginning in your life. Okay, beautiful message. So these are the messages for whosoever it required these messages. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all of you wherever you are in the world. Okay, if you like my video, if you have any suggestions, if you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out. Okay, and I think that I help you out in some manner. Take care of yourself and see you soon.